Hi, this is Vamshi with. My data set is average daily traffic counts. It gives a data analysis of given data by the location of every street taken with directions. Coming to introduction, according to Chicago Transport Department, the data set depicts about the count of vehicles passed along the streets of Chicago following the year 2006, which gives the result of average vehicles traveled in the streets of the city at a particular period of time. It updates about the traffic details once in a decade. Dataset. Dataset is acquired from the link given here. Due to the growth of population and usage of modern things resulted in an extinct rise of vehicles, and the department initiated a traffic control. The main attributes of this dataset consist of ID, zip code, street. Then I performed a data cleaning. It is a process of removing the data which is not in use by the method called data cleaning. By using the function trim from the text, I clean the data which is not in use from the workbook. I have sorted the ID numbers from lower to higher order and filtered the dates from oldest to newest. Then I removed the boundary zip codes and census tracts from the dataset. It already mentioned about the street and address. Then I performed only limited columns of functions as per my requirements and convenience. Data analysis. It is a process of performing techniques like logical text and predictive analysis, which enables to work on various types of operations at a time. It is used to bring out the knowledge from the data and make decisions according to analysis. Arithmetic operations of data analysis. The arithmetic operators like sum, average, difference, division, multiplication, and subtraction. I executed the sum, average, difference, and division to get the average of daily traffic. Choose the columns to work on executing the function sum to get the total values of selected data. I performed a sum function using the sum by selecting the start of data and the end of data, which displayed the value of 249 as shown in the picture. Following up the same process, I executed the functions average, difference, and division as shown in the picture. Data analysis of pie chart. Pie chart consists of slices used to determine numerical proportion, which is useful to display percentage by each category. I obtained a pie chart by choosing streets and sum of total passing volumes of vehicle as my data set in the column. In the resulted pie chart, each street is shown in unique colors to show percentage of vehicles traveled, in which it shows that Ashland Ave Street has the highest percentage of vehicles traveled. Pivot chart. It can be used to arrange the data and summarizing tangled data. I selected the ID and sum of words to execute pivot table. Then I dragged the IDs to axis and sum of words into values. Looking into the picture shows that ID of 160 and 1294 has highest sum of words as shown in the picture. Scatter plot. Scatter plot is used to compare two sets of values or data and reveals the bond between the set of values. Scatter plots and line graphs are close to each other. From the image, it's clear that on 29th August 2006, it recorded the maximum of vehicles traveled that has a value of 33,400. And the histogram, the process of distributing the data, which is grouped into bins, which also looks like bar graph representation. And x-axis represents the street and y-axis represents the count of words as shown here in the picture. Histogram results that Lake Street has highest number of words with a value of 53. Finally, conclusion. To sum up this report, the dataset is helpful to conduct survey of daily traffic counts. So people can't suffer while traveling on the roads. This report can make users in alert of traffic in case of any emergency. This could be useful for people, officers and transporters, etc. due to wide use of technologies like machines, cars, trucks and many more things which are going through the road transportation. In the future, the survey could be benefiting to make developments and widening of roads in heavy traffic streets to make movements quick and easy to reach destinations. Thank you for watching this video.